Hey there YouTube, I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron, and today we are unboxing this package sent to me by Jade Schaefer. We had ourselves a little exchange, and this is my end of the bargain. I'd like to share it with you today. And I've got the Mantra 2? Mantra 3? I think it's the Mantra 2 CPM M4. This is actually on loan to the channel from my friend Gabe. Thank you, Gabe. This thing is really cool looking, especially in the lighting I have going right now. Look at all those scratches from wear. I'm not sure where that one's from. Got a little on the back side, and of course some under the clip there as well. Alright, anyway, so let's get to slicing. I'm going to try and open this as minimally invasive as I can. I'll have you know I am not looking through the camera to do this. I am looking at the live blade in my hand. Very important thing to do when cutting. Okay. Should be able to pull these up. There's a little tape on the tabs. Good work, Jade. This is a very secure package. There is no match for the Mantra. Let's check it out. Nice bubble wrap. Got a note here. Let me take this off camera for a sec. Okay, it's a nice note that I can share with you guys. It says, "Hey Joe, thanks for working with me on the sale and trade. I hope you enjoy the Leathermans. All the best, J.A.S." Thank you, Jade. Excited. Alright, so let's start small. Set this off to the side for now. Alright. Very cool. Leatherman style CS. This is the scissors version. Ooh, wow, it's a strong spring. Very nice. Pretty nice little scissors on here. Try to cut the glare out so you can get some detail. Little carabiner clip slash bottle opener, I believe, if memory serves. Little slip joint blade. Let's give this a quick, whoa, not bad. Alright, that'll do some work. What else? Here we go. Oh, there's a little dent. Cool. Little dent for your nail to go in, nail file. Small flathead. I've never had one of these, if you can't tell. That's a nice little compact tool, and look at that. There's tweezers. Oh, these are very Victorinox style. Let me see if I can compare these real quick. Far left is the CS tweezers. These are the small Victorinox, and here's the large Victorinox on the right. Just so you can get a sense of how big they are, there's an angled cut in there. Okay. Enough of that aside. So another look at that blade. It is a zero grind, apparently. Ground all the way from the spine to the final bevel. Final bevel seems to be chisel ground. Interesting. Okay. Well, this one's got a pouch. Very cool leather pouch sitting in here. This is the Leatherman Kick. This is a discontinued product. Oh, interesting. Dometic. Huh, I don't know what that means. Very stiff opening. Whoa. Oh, I thought these were spring-loaded for a second. That is some really floppy plier action. That's nice. These are plastic inserts here that's meant to make it more comfortable. And I gotta say, it is more comfortable. Alright. old style plier heads here, wire cutters. Little bit of rust, nothing we can't take off in a minute or two. Very cool. And this also comes with the pocket clip. These are very hard to find clips, I'll have you know. There's a can opener. I suppose you could also use it as a cap lifter. Oop, and did that just lock? Hold on. Oh wow. Hold up. I thought these weren't locking. Come on. We're all learning together. Oh, there we go. Wow. That's a very secure lockup there. Nice. I was gonna say there's a wire stripper right there as well. Ooh, man. Very solid lockup on that tool. Oh, this looks nice. Very nice three-dimensional Phillips head driver. That's good to see. That one's a little easier to put away. And what do we have over here? A little more rust, pretty superficial it looks like. There's another blade example from Leatherman here. This is very nice. There's a little swedge cutout, drop point design. Looks like a bead blasted finish. Doesn't say what steel. Alrighty. Let's hold that blade down while we pull out our other implements. A couple of screwdrivers, a little bit of rust, and then the lanyard hole over here. And the way I'm going to remove this rust, let me just show you. Just see if this works. This is just a steel brush. Just going to very lightly brush it. See, it's starting to come up. Hopefully that's apparent. Are we scratching the finish? Doesn't appear to be scratching, so that's good. Cool, so we can get that superficial rust off without hurting the tool. I mean, this is an older pair of pliers, definitely an older design from Leatherman, but I really like it, and it's very compact. Let me put it next to the Surge so you can see. I know you didn't come here for a review and comparison video, but I'm excited, so you're just gonna have to watch. So check it out. It's a much more compact set of pliers, and oh, interesting, clips on the other side. Huh. Yeah. Definitely cool, a little bit smaller. Might even be a little more useful for me in my change to working at a lab as opposed to like a warehouse. So yeah, I will update in the future, but these are the cool Leathermans that I got from Jade, and I just want to say thank you, Jade, and thank you to everyone who watched this video today. I've been Joe, you've been watching Ink&Iron. If you like this kind of content, hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more EDC stuff. I do all kinds of EDC stuff, knives, pens, all kinds of crazy gear. I do DIY stuff about dyeing plastic, all sorts of things. So yeah, feel free to subscribe and join the small community we have finally built up. All right, thanks again for joining me today. I've been Joe, and you've been watching Ink&Iron, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.